Welcome to What Makes You Think, Imagine, Question. In this video we ask what is architecture and offer some fundamental definitions for your consideration. In tangible terms, and a view from a pragmatic perspective, architecture can be defined as the art and the science of the built environment that is designed and constructed. These environments are occupied by flora and fauna and can be observed and experienced through landscape, the spatial as well as structural compositions that are intricately crafted and engineered, with multiple layers of textured materials complemented by color. The functional intent is to create opportunities for interaction and safe shelter from the elements. With keen attention to technical detail, we are able to form space for self-expression. That can be anything from research, exploration, learning, play, and so on. Architecture is also used as a descriptive that captures the whole. In other words, the overall coordinated form and the internal structure of something. For example, in nature, the architecture of a femur or any metacarpal bone. In theoretical terms, architecture can be defined as a method of exploring ideas, imagination, and research of data, as well as abstract concepts, which can be then realized in practice. Romantic notions and analogies to help us scale and relate to architecture. Architecture is about solving puzzles. For example, think of architect Erno Rubik and his invention of the Rubik's Cube. As captured by Delvin Mallet, and I quote, "A spherical device with hollow core and an arrangement of interlocking projections on the back of the cubes, too cunning to describe with words. A single central cube in each face fixed to a 3-axis cross-locked everything together. But, like wheels on an axle, the cubes were free to rotate in a single plane," which he developed as an exercise in the manipulation of space, volumes, which might, he hoped, engage the minds of his students. Or think of it as a musical instrument, such as a violin. For example, it is a multi-purpose, functional object or device. By this I mean a sculptural object with aesthetic qualities, function as it inspires interaction, which stimulates the dexterity of your brain and the surrounding environment through vibration.